Today I'm going to just be doing a Flexi-Rods set on wet hair. My last tutorial was on dry hair. So I've just washed it. I always use my BB Crown Glory Moisture Cream because this is definitely good for detangling hair. And it's definitely going to help treat it and prevent breakage, and it actually detangles very smoothly and effectively. I mean, instantly you get results from it. And I always use it for styling purposes for my natural hair. So now that I've detangled my sections into 4, I'm going to take this section back down. And I'm just going to straighten up this section here. Now, so the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to be parting out the bang area first. I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to start with my Flexi-Rods. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but you just have to kind of figure out what type of style you want before you begin the process. Fold that down, put a little more loose on the end so it can be wrapped. Come loose and fold it. Okay, so I've done most of it off camera. Pull out a section at the top and I'll show you how to do an example of the larger Flexi-Rod. I'm going to use a gray Flexi-Rod. So again, I'm going to add some more cream. This section dried out. We're going to add some of our Silk Shine Protection Silk Out Micellar Oil by Tiana's Creation. Run that through. And then we're going to add our Lotta Body Wrap Foam Mousse. Run it through. Okay. Okay, so I'm done, and so I will be leaving this in. I'm gonna let it air dry, and it's probably gonna be over 4 hours, so because my hair is thick. Okay ladies, so this completes my tutorial on how to do a wet set on using Flexi-Rods. Took me 4 hours to set and then style this voluminous curly hair. So please rate, subscribe, and don't forget to thumbs up this video. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Tiana's Hair Creations. And check out my website at www.tianashaircreations.com.